Welcome to the November Smart Simple Cloud Upgrade. I'm Mark, the UI UX Manager at Smart Simple, and I'm going to provide you with an overview of what to expect from this upgrade. Global system upgrades. These include changes that occur automatically and affect all users. Password variables. We are deprecating several password variables for security purposes. After the November upgrade, these variables will no longer work. You will need to transition to using the activation link variable. The easiest way to check for deprecated variables is to navigate to the menu icon, Global Settings, Communications tab, System Email Templates. Here you can see the system's email templates in a central location. Click the Export Emails button to export your system emails in an Excel file format. Now you can easily search the column called Email Body for any of the deprecated variables. If you would like assistance with this transition, contact our support team. File Uploader. The new File Uploader component will be enabled in this upgrade. The Multiple File Upload field will change so that you may drag and drop files inline instead of opening a modal window. Alternatively, you may click the Browse Files link to upload files. If you specify allowed file types at the field level, they will display in the box. However, any file types listed under Global Allowed File Types will no longer display in the box for every upload field. AI Chat History. The Work with AI feature can help your users complete their tasks faster. Users can easily pick from templates you define to do things like summarize, translate, or give suggestions for improvement, all from within your system. In this upgrade, the conversations between users and the AI are now logged. Simply go to the AI Chat History and click on the desired session to see that conversation. On-demand system upgrades. These include optional features and changes. AI translations. For clients running multilingual programs, we added a quick and easy way to translate elements such as the custom and standard fields in your system. If enabled, switch languages and then navigate to the desired record, and the AI will begin translating captions that have no translation. This process will run in the background. You may continue to audit and change the translations as normal. Candid Demographics. Need to see organizational information related to race, ethnicity, gender, orientation or disability status, or demographic information on staff, senior staff, and leadership for U.S. organizations? We added an easy way to see Candid Demographics data visualized in the left navigation of an organization record. You can also do a side-by-side comparison of the current organization with another organization. Status color. You may choose to color code your records in list views using the status color. If you do, you will see a small color bar on the left. Optionally, you may show or hide the type icon. In this upgrade, we added a new option to add color to the status column background, so it is even easier to differentiate records by color. The font color will change to white or black based on the color chosen in order to improve contrast. This new option can be enabled at the list view level. Conditional display order. If you ever wanted to use the same field across two types of applications, but you wanted the field to appear in different locations, now you can, using a conditional display order based on type. Toggle on the new setting, choose the type, and enter a display order. Smaller display order numbers will appear closest to the top of the page. JSON custom field. Ever wanted to store large amounts of data without creating many custom fields? Now you can store data in JSON format within a record. You can also display the JSON data in tree or table format. E-signatures. As part of your document agreement or approval process, you may wish to use an e-signature provider such as Adobe Sign, DocuSign, SignEasy, or Signority. In this upgrade, we added a new e-signature integration with OneSpan. If you are using Adobe Sign, we also added a new setting to send a cancellation email to signees when the signing process is canceled from within Smart Simple. Loading list views faster. We have added two options that you may use to load list views with many records faster. First, you may enable Quick Load at the UTA level now. Quick Load loads a list view without a total record count and disables sorting on the column headers. If you enable Quick Load at the UTA level, you may still disable Quick Load at the list view level. Secondly, we added a system-wide setting to only load records after a search is run. Now, when you navigate to a list view, you choose your criteria, click Search, and see the results. This is a system-wide setting, but is not applied to portal list view sections, sublists within a record, linked record lists, shortcuts, smart cards, or personal dashboards. Question Set Builder. The Question Set Builder gives non-global admins the ability to create custom fields that appear on the level 2 of a single level 1 record. In this upgrade, we added an easy way to see the Question Set Builder responses on a level 2 list view within a level 1 record. Here we see the setting to show a question in the list view. If I navigate to the sublist, I can see the responses from the level 2s. This must also be enabled at the list view level. Invitations. Invitations are a great way to invite someone, like a co-applicant or reviewer, to contribute to an application. Simply enter the contact information and send that person the invite. In this upgrade, we added the ability to trigger a workflow if someone declines an invitation. This makes it easier to take an action, like notifying a specific user. Last login. Ever wanted to see when a group of users last logged into the system? Now you may create a list view that displays the last login date of users. You may also use the last login date as criteria in the advanced search. Consumer creation buttons. If you are creating records in one UTA from another UTA using a consumer creation button, we added an easy way to disable consumer creation buttons with an explanation. For example, you could easily restrict people from creating multiple applications for the same user or organization and display a custom explanation when the user hovers over the button. File download log. You now have the ability to monitor the number of files users are downloading. If enabled, you can filter results by date range and export this information. A report may be created to see specific files downloaded by specific users. If you have questions or need assistance, contact us at support@smartsimple.com or call us at 1-866-239-0991. More information about this upgrade and future service packs can be found on our wiki. Visit wiki.smartsimple.com.